pomfret cleaning. Okay, this is how you clean the pomfrets. See the importance of scissor.
Yeah.
This is done. Okay, now you go to the second part here. This should be properly cleaned. So this pomfret cleaning done. Then little bit tail. Okay, no need to change, just chop it. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, and then from inside you just need to make this part. Okay, like this,
Not like you make it straight.
like this. Okay, okay,
This is a,
the waist it goes here like this. You can just cut this part. Okay, this is good. Okay, we'll make it separate later. This is the waist. You want the heart to eat? No need, right? Huh? Fish heart. Okay. You see, stomach is clean already. And then you remove this one, the main part, which is you never eat this one. These are the gills of the fish. You should remove this one. Okay. Gills will remove from here to there also. One part, one time it should come directly. Okay, you can just make it like this for you. Come outside.
yes, sir.
No, it's not good. Okay. Then just clean here properly. See how you clean inside. It's all waste. Nothing is waste. Balance here now. Chop properly. These gills I clean already. Smooth. And then you make it half. Okay. Okay. One piece. Here, 2 pieces. 3. 4. You can make 5. Okay.
Now it's done.
You want this one half also? You can make like this if you want. Okay.
Yeah.
You see? This is done. Let's go to that cooking, Sherry. Okay.